Let's see what the fuck this elevator's up to. Tell me it's down here already. Oh, yes it is. Oh, this is gonna be fucked up. Okay, brace yourself. It's gonna be funny. Well, first time I rode this thing, I nearly shitted myself.
Oh! Holy shit! Oh! Holy shit! Oh my god!
Okay, ready? Get ready for the jolt! Oh, fuck! Okay. And the indicator's fucked up. This thing's a death trap. Okay, here we up on 2, are you? Now, I think Patrick showed me a trick with this. How do we do this trick anyway to turn off the fan? Come on. Oh, that works on the indicator. Love that bell though. No phone, so that means we have to ring the alarm. I don't even know, I'm not gonna bother. Okay. The minutes are running up on this camera. I'm gonna have to free up some menu. We're up on 2. By the way, that's EPCO flush line. The look at this elevator is your typical JCPenney elevator from the 1980s. Nothing special. Still the prettiest JCPenney store I've been to. So that's